Hey, what's up, guys? So yeah, I wanted to make this video real quick on cleaning up my van. It's bad enough when you live in a creepy white van, you got that stigma attached to it and all that good happy stuff, but when it's dirty it makes it even worse. So I took the day to go ahead and clean this mess. As you can see, it's just, it's got mildew on it, on the high top and stuff like that, on the windows. So yeah, wanted to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. If you guys have never seen my videos before, I live full-time in my van with my dog Charlie, and yeah, so just cleaning my house, doing some house cleaning right now. But check out my other videos, man. You can see all the fun stuff and all the amenities that I have, and how I live, man. But this Lysol bleach stuff, it works out really, really well. As you can see, it's already taken it off, without even any water, without wiping it down or anything like that. So it worked out really good, really well. Yeah, so it's pretty awesome, man. Check this out. Look at that, dude. It's just eating it right away, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you're thinking about living in a van, the stigma that's already attached to it, it's pretty funny. But you got to have thick skin, man, to live in a van and stuff like that, because you get some crazy looks from people, and just with the stigma attached to the van itself, creepy guy in a van, hey little girl, you want some candy crap, or whatever. But it's it's just one of those things, man, that you just deal with. I was talking about, I wanted to maybe paint the van down the road, change the color and stuff like that. And, I haven't made up my mind yet, but yeah, it's just kind of funny, man. How you're in a van. It's like me and my buddy were talking the other day, and he actually just bought a van, and he's up in Colorado, and he wants to start living in his van as well. And he, the first day he was driving it, man, he gets up to a red light and these two girls in a car, and it looked like they were going to ask him for directions and stuff like that. And when he kind of looked over at them, they kind of both looked forward and didn't acknowledge that he was looking at them and stuff like that. And he was just laughing. He was like, wow, so now I know what it feels like to be driving a white van. And I was like, I know, right? It's freaking hilarious. It's so much better. These windows, I put plasti dip on them, so they I have to be really, really careful when I wash them. So but they've been on here for almost 2 years, and they've been holding up really, really well. So it's peeling off on this rubber gasket thing. But on this window right here, it's holding up really well on this window. And then the other two windows on the other side. So, but yeah, desperately needed to be done. So it looks a hell of a lot better. A lot better. So you can see what it looked like before I washed it. It was pretty nasty. So it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. So I still live in a creepy white van, but at least it's clean. It's not dirty anymore. So, but anyway, that was my little project today. Yeah, so this is my other project that I started working on. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my other videos from way back in the day, but my motorcycle's been in my trailer for roughly almost 2 years, and it's riding season. So I went ahead and pulled it out, got it out, and obviously needed to take apart the carburetor and start cleaning that. Took apart the gas tank and all that good stuff, all that happy stuff. But for some reason, it is running. It'll start, but it won't stay running. So trying to figure that out, and you know, see what happens, man. But this is my baby. This is my little girl. You know, it's a Harley bobber. It's a 1992 883 bored out to a 1200 little bobber. But yeah, it's a good little bike to go scooting around and stuff like that. The long-term plan, like I said back in my original videos way back at the beginning, was I want to pull my trailer with me with my equipment for work and have my bike and stuff like that. And then whenever I get to a town, I can plug in and have Charlie there, and then I have, you know, my little transportation around around the city or around the town that I'm in, so that way I don't have to keep bringing the van everywhere and stuff like that. So sometimes Daddy needs a break from Charlie, and the bike's going to be able to help me with that. But I do appreciate you guys watching. I really do appreciate the new subscribers and all that stuff. It's pretty awesome. If you're new to the channel and stuff, man, like I said, I live full-time in a van with my dog, and we just do whatever we can, man. We travel, we work. You know, I'm stationary right now, but I take weekend trips and stuff here and there, check out small little towns and stuff like that, and eventually going to be working my way south and west and, you know, all that good happy stuff. But for right now, I'm stationary working so I can, you know, take care of stuff with the van, take care of my credit cards, you know, enjoy myself, still have fun and stuff like that. But like I said, I appreciate you guys watching the videos, man. Subscribe, hit that bell, so you're notified when I make new videos. I'm in the process of making another video on some upgrades to the van, some new amenities, so it's pretty cool. But like I said, man, I appreciate it, man. Y'all have a great day, drive safe.